Hey guys, welcome to day number 9. Today I'm going to do things a little bit different in this video. I'm going to do a recap rather than a sit and watch kind of video. Basically, the reason for that is I feel like the sit and watch can be really boring, whereas the recap, I can just kind of tell you what the results were and kind of paint the picture and then talk a little bit about my thoughts in going through that. So I will let you know that right off the bat that day 9 was a successful day. I'm going to throw up a little chart right here. There we go. You can kind of see what the gains and losses were over the past 9 days. Not bad. Remember, these are day trading options with fake money, paper money, so that I can get practice and learn how to do it because this is something that I'm not super skilled at, and I want to make sure that I can do this properly before I go and then try to actually put real money into doing this. Overall, it's been really good. Here's a couple clips of the trade itself. I just took these with my phone so you can kind of see where I was going and what the thought process was with these. Overall, super happy with how the day went and glad that it worked out in my favor. So 8 days in the green, 1 day red. Can't argue with those results. Super happy with that. Thank you for watching. Before I show you those clips of just sort of what was going on, if you're interested in trading like this on the Webull app, you can sign up with the link in the description of this video. That'll give you 14 fractional shares when you sign up and fund $100 into your trading account. You don't have to use that trading account money, that $100, for actual trades, but you can get some free shares by doing that. So far, working to plan, up $131. Total on the day, $61 on this open trade. Down in the red a little bit, but a strong push up. We'll see if the green can keep going. Looks like it's being pushed back down. Trading sideways right now, pretty much. If you zoom out on this, let's see. That's overnight, 5-minute window. You can see how narrow that is compared to the movement it normally has. And so just trying to get into a good position here. There we are on the 5-minute chart. Each of these candles is 5 minutes. You see a strong push there. We're up almost to our goal for the day of 315, almost there. It's pushing pretty strong, and we've still got 30 seconds on this candle. I think it's going to break through. So we are at our goal. Well, let's wait till we're pushed up a little bit on that, see where it kind of lands. All right, there we go. We broke through that resistance there. I mean, it's pushing on this 5-minute chart. It's pushing past that point that I had called out as far as a resistance. Pushed past that pre-market high. Just hit over the top there. All right, here we go. Big, strong push once again. Oh, it backed off a little bit. All right, there we go for the day. That's the 5-minute candle on, what are these? The 490 QQQ calls. You can see that big jump. I'm already out of my position here, as you can see, but $636 on the day. Let's see what that would be. 20%, 20.2 or 20.19. Okay, not bad. Super happy with that. Great result for the day. Total of 9 days trading, 8 of those profitable, 1 lost day. We locked in $636 of profit increase on the account standing, so not bad. Paper trading is totally free. You literally just set the dollar amount that you want to start with. They give you $1 million to start with, which I feel like is kind of ridiculous because there's no realistic way that I would start with $1 million trading. So I set mine at 1,000 and then just kind of trade up from there every day. And so far it's been going well. In 9 days, we've gone from 1,000 to 3,785. Super happy with it. Grateful for the opportunity to learn. And I feel like I've learned some stuff today through the highs and lows. Took some losses and then regained those losses plus profit to the tune of $636. All right, guys, and that will wrap it up for today. I thank you for watching this video. If you were interested in it and you liked it, be sure to leave a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing if you like this kind of content. And I'll see you on tomorrow's trading day recap video.